Hey guys, today we're going to talk about SoFi versus Wealthfront, which is best high yield savings account. So if you're trying to find the best high yielding savings account, SoFi and Wealthfront both offer excellent options, but they cater to different needs. Let's break it down. First of all, we'll talk about savings feature and APY. SoFi is a fee-free savings account with a competitive APY, especially if you set up direct deposit. Plus, you get early paycheck access and overdraft protection. Wealthfront, on the other hand, offers a high-interest cash account with an even higher APY than most banks, ideal for maximizing passive income. Let's talk about automation and investment options. SoFi focuses on simplicity, perfect for those who just want high-yield savings and easy mobile access. Wealthfront, on the other hand, goes beyond savings. It provides automated cash management, smart transfers, and easy integration with investment accounts. So, which one is better? SoFi is best for straightforward savings, high APY with direct deposits and zero fees. Wealthfront is ideal for long-term wealth growth with higher interest rates and automated money management. So, which savings account do you prefer? Drop a comment below and subscribe for more fintech comparisons. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.